Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 302. And real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share these videos with someone you think would enjoy them. That all really helps the channel out. And also, if you saw where I made a mistake yesterday, please put it in the comments. Alright, so let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and an 8 here. So this is our 7. 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 5 makes this our 9. 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 3. No other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 6. I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 9. That 3 and 4 makes this our 1. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this box now, we're only missing a 7. We look at this column now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. And for this top row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.